You're pointed at Greg.
Can't see Greg.
Do what? So put it on night vision for a second.
Doesn't have night vision.
Oh, okay.
Has a light.
Let's just launch it and see what we can see.
That's all the light does.
Yeah, the light's gonna burn out your battery really quick.
Redneck's last words. Hey Bubba, check this out. Holy crap. That's it. Awesome.
Okay.
Hey, let's see what these do.
Ready.
Okay, Tom.
What Tom Lake?
Roman candle.
Yeah. Go for it.
Wait, is this a big mortar?
Is this the biggest one?
No, I don't know. We'll see. It might be the biggest one so far.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'd say that's pretty big.
How did that work on the video?
I think I got it.
Okay, these are completely legal because we're aiming them over Wyoming when we shoot them off.
Okay.
No, Jeff, I'm not sure that's a good.
You're not supposed to say my name. I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Oh, I mean, Jose.
Ready, Dad?
Yeah, another one of those, like the one I just shot off.
Is that the biggest one we bought?
Nope.
Oh.
I think it's pretty close though. Might be the biggest one.
Ours are bigger.
Shoots balls, flaming balls.
Okay.
Flaming balls.
Rain of fire, but I don't know if it's gonna work.
Flaming balls. Raining balls. Hey, Cop. Jeff Cop.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna have to take it.
Fireworks are legal in the city limits, so we can just have the fireworks off. Okay. Left finger, everything inside.
Can we still use
Go for the sparklers.
Can we
Sparklers, you said.
sparklers?
Okay.
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 Cool.
Alright, thanks, That's alright, it's okay. Jeez, don't shine his lights on our stuff. Okay, give me about 20 minutes to go. I'm gonna see if this one works.
There we go.
This,
Big ass Roman candle, Jeff?
this one, the fuse kind of pulled out too far. I think. I shouldn't be holding this with all these sparks coming down.
Probably not a good idea. Yeah. That's the excuse right now. It's over your house, I'm sorry. That's much more over your house.